Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaina, I'm a physical therapist. Are you feeling tightness, cramping or sharp pain in your calf muscles while you walk, run or even at night when you're sleeping? Then this video is for you. There are few causes why people experience this kind of pain. It's because of overuse, dehydration, poor ankle mobility and also muscle tightness. The good news is this can be easily fixed at home. So today I'm going to demonstrate few exercises which are going to help in reduce your pain and also improve your ankle mobility. So let's dive in. The first exercise is foam rolling. I'm going to demonstrate towards my right leg, but you can do the same exercise both sides. So what you're going to do, take the foam roller and place it under your calf. Now from here, you're going to place your both hands behind your hips and lift your hips up, and you're going to roll the foam roller up and down. Go for at least 30 to 60 seconds each side. And wherever you feel that tight spot, you can hold there for a few seconds. If you feel this way you're not getting a lot of stretch, then what you can do, take the opposite leg, place it above your right side, and then you can roll. That will give more pressure. Breathe naturally. And relax. The second exercise is Gastrocnemius and Soleus Stretch. There are two muscles in a calf. I'm going to demonstrate towards my left side. So what you're going to do, you're going to stand straight. You can take some support from the chair, or also you can stand near the wall. Anything works. So you're going to bend your right knee and you're going to extend your opposite leg. So I'm demonstrating towards my left side. So I'm extending my left side and you're going to lean your body slightly forward. You'll feel the stretch. Hold this position for at least 30 to 60 seconds. If you think 60 seconds is a lot, then you can just start with 30 seconds and you can go for 2 to 3 reps. Breathe naturally. Make sure you're not lifting your heel up. Your heel should touch the floor. And relax. The second exercise is Soleus Stretch. For this one, you're going to slightly bring your left leg forward and you're going to bend your knee. Now you're going to lean your body forward. You'll feel the stretch here. Stay in this position for another 30 to 45 seconds. Breathe naturally. Go for at least 2 to 3 reps each side. And the last exercise is the strengthening exercises. So we are going to do heel raises on the stairs. So for this one, for the last exercise, I'm going to demonstrate towards my left side. Now you're going to drop your left heel down and you're going to balance on that leg. So we are going to go for heel raises. Lift your heel up and then drop it completely down. Go for at least 10 to 15 reps into 2 to 3 sets. Breathe naturally. You can also do it on the floor, but you will not get the full range of motion. So it's best for strengthening you do it on the stairs. And relax. Do these exercises at least once a day to see the difference. And if you have any questions for me, you can drop down the comment below and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.